Being able to pinpoint where fish are located is crucial for the success, efficiency, and catch rates of anglers. Garmin Spy Pole is a revolutionary motorized sonar control that allows you to precisely and wirelessly maneuver LiveScope and the GT360 UHD transducers, empowering you to take full command of your underwater view. Available in 42-inch or 49-inch lengths, Spy Pole can operate on 12, 16, 24, or 36-volt systems, making it versatile for a variety of different boats. Spy Pole is easily mounted to your Force or Force Pro trolling motor or directly to your boat's deck using the optional gunnel mount accessory. And if or when you want to remove Spy Pole, you'll enjoy a smooth dismount with the integrated quick release system. For a clean installation, Spy Pole is designed so you can run your transducer cables internally up the shaft, keeping them neatly tucked away. When mounting on your Force or Force Pro trolling motor, the added quick release cable clips help you stow and deploy with confidence, but maintain the quick release capability of the system. Built by anglers, for anglers, Spy Pole takes your LiveScope system to a whole new level. By mounting LiveScope either to the bottom of the Spy Pole or to the shaft when using it in conjunction with the GT360 UHD transducer, you'll have full control of your LiveScope without worrying about your boat positioning. These new mounts offer a 0-degree offset for forward and down views, as well as adjustable angles for perspective mode, allowing you to dial in and maximize your system based on your fishing style and conditions. Spy Pole not only has wireless connectivity, but we've included a wireless gesture remote and foot control to make your life easier on the water. For control at your fingertips, attach the included gesture remote to your rod or use it as a handheld to maneuver Spy Pole with a simple twist of the wrist or press of a button. If you prefer to use your foot, the included low-profile foot control is easy to use and makes positioning Spy Pole a breeze, keeping your hands free to fish. It can be docked on the low-profile quick-release puck or taken anywhere on the boat for control flexibility. Spy Pole seamlessly integrates into your Garmin ecosystem. With chart plotter integration, you'll be able to configure and control Spy Pole with your compatible Garmin chart plotter, allowing you to execute specific modes such as SpyLock and SpyScan. SpyLock lets you lock your LiveScope sonar on any point of interest, such as a brush pile, rock mound, or waypoint. This allows you to move around targets and make casts from different angles while not having to actively control your LiveScope. SpyScan, on the other hand, automatically sweeps Spy Pole back and forth in any direction at a defined angle to simplify your search for fish and structure. Pairing and integrating Spy Pole with your Garmin Force or Force Pro trolling motor brings a whole new player to the game, SpyLink. This feature synchronizes Spy Pole with the direction of your trolling motor, allowing you to control Spy Pole with the trolling motor foot pedal. When anchor locked, you still have full control of the Spy Pole with the trolling motor foot pedal, so you never have to move your foot. When you disengage anchor lock, Spy Pole relinks to the trolling motor to hunt down your next fish. You probably noticed the mention of the GT360 UHD transducer a couple of times already, and I'm sure we've piqued your curiosity. When a GT360 UHD transducer is mounted to Spy Pole, you'll unlock OneVu Sonar, providing a 360-degree image of what's around your boat. With True Motion technology and your GT360 UHD, scans stay true to location as your boat moves. This means you can scan an area once and pick it apart with ultimate stealth, and by adding LiveScope, you'll unlock an additional live overlay in 3D mode, providing you with an added perspective of what lies beneath. Revolutionary and precise to help make every cast count, take full command of your underwater view with Garmin Spy Pole. For more information on this and other Garmin products, be sure to cast away to Garmin.com.